You are now watching the Story Box.
Xiaomi, the Chinese electronics company, was founded in April 2010 by serial entrepreneur Lei Jun. With a vision to create innovative products at affordable prices, Lei Jun aimed to make technology accessible to everyone. The company's first product was the MIUI, pronounced MIUI, firmware for Android smartphones, which quickly gained popularity in China due to its user-friendly interface and regular software updates. In August 2011, Xiaomi launched its first smartphone, the Xiaomi Mi 1, which sold out within hours of its release. The company continued to innovate and expand its product range, introducing a range of smart home devices, wearables, and other consumer electronics. One of Xiaomi's most successful products was the Mi Band, a fitness tracker that offered features comparable to more expensive devices at a fraction of the price. The Mi Band quickly became a bestseller in China and other markets, with Xiaomi selling over 100 million units of the device by 2021. In 2014, Xiaomi expanded its global presence by entering the Indian market, which has since become one of its largest markets outside of China. The company also entered the European market in 2018, and has continued to expand its presence in other regions around the world. Xiaomi's business model is based on selling hardware at cost or at a minimal profit margin, and generating revenue from services and software. The company's ecosystem of products and services includes Mi Home, an app that allows users to control smart home devices, MIUI, the Android-based operating system used on Xiaomi devices, and Mi Cloud, a cloud storage service. As of 2021, Xiaomi is one of the world's largest smartphone manufacturers and has a market share of around 14% globally. The company has also expanded into other areas, such as smart TVs, laptops, and electric vehicles. Here are 5 interesting facts about Xiaomi. The company's name, Xiaomi, means millet in Chinese, which is a staple food in China. The name represents the company's aim to provide high-quality technology products at affordable prices, just as millet is a nutritious food that is accessible to everyone. Xiaomi's founder, Lei Jun, is often referred to as the Steve Jobs of China, due to his entrepreneurial spirit and innovation in the tech industry. Xiaomi's products are sold in over 100 countries around the world, and the company has over 300 million users globally. In 2021, Xiaomi was listed on the Fortune Global 500 list for the first time, ranking at number 338. Xiaomi is committed to sustainability and has set a goal to become carbon neutral by 2040. The company has also launched a range of eco-friendly products, such as the Mi electric scooter and the Mi air purifier. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to the Story Box.